Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab USA stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rocket Lab USA. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Rocket Lab USA as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.69. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 64.91% since we first listed Rocket Lab USA as a buy candidate 43 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.51% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. For any pullback, there will now be support at the level of $31.68, which may present a second opportunity to capitalize on the upward movement. According to fan theory, $36.72 is projected to be the next possible peak and could act as a resistance level that may not be breached on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 66% over the next 3 months, with returns estimated between 32% and 58%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of nearly 143%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance might range from 58% to over 200% in the coming year. This would place the future price somewhere between $52.75 and $101.71. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab USA includes the headline, Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price up 2.07% on Tuesday. The Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price gained 2.07% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, rising from $32.78 to $33.46. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.47%, with a low of $32.43 and a high of $34.21. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.89% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 15 million shares, with a total of 28 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $931,900,000. It is important to note that a decline in volume, alongside rising prices, can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $34.21, while the lowest price was $4.20. Currently, the price is 2.18%, or 74.5 cents, below the 52-week high of $34.21, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab Corporation, trading under the ticker RKLB, has recently made headlines that could potentially influence its stock performance in both the short and long term. Today, Rocket Lab announced a rapid rescheduling of its launch manifest, with the next Electron rocket mission set to launch in just 2 days. This swift turnaround reflects the company's operational agility, which reassures investors of its capability to meet contract obligations, particularly with Hawkeye 360. Additionally, RKLB has seen impressive stock growth, climbing approximately 600% over the past year, fueled by successful launches and new contracts, including those linked to its forthcoming Neutron rocket. Such performance generates investor confidence and could encourage further buying in the near term. Analysts have also taken notice, with Cantor Fitzgerald recently increasing its price target for Rocket Lab to a street high of $35. This optimistic outlook coupled with robust revenue growth and a strong pipeline, positions Rocket Lab as a compelling investment opportunity. While the company does face challenges, including ongoing losses, its improving margins and consistent research and development investments indicate a promising path to profitability by 2026. In summary, given Rocket Lab's operational milestones and favorable analyst sentiment, the stock is likely to experience upward momentum, both in the immediate and longer-term landscape of the burgeoning space economy. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, it was again reported that KeyBank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned RKLB a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank once more assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rocket Lab USA stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio, similarly, as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab USA. The Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at $28.93 and $26.21. The breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 13, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 31.68%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock warrants close observation. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact its near short-term development. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a buy signal was noted 7 days prior. Bollinger, a buy signal appeared 2 days ago. The short-term moving average, a buy signal was recorded 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal, was identified 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 49 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 29 days prior. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 23 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rocket Lab USA. Rocket Lab USA Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $32.78. And this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and considering the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the course of the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.78, which represents 5.47%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levies for Rocket Lab USA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a trend of consistently negative PE ratios might suggest inadequate profitability and carry risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.1. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab USA. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Rocket Lab USA encounters its first support level at $32.78. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab USA from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of June, 2025, Saint-Merlin made an insider purchase of 1,700 shares of common stock. On the same day, Saint-Merlin also purchased 4,653 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Akko Matthew conducted an insider purchase of 142,178 shares of common stock. The following day, Akko Matthew bought 582,932 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Akko Matthew also purchased 57,822 shares of common stock. Based on 100 of the most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders acquired 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $32.42, which represents a decrease of 3.10%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Currently, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is Rocket Lab USA stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the stock has broken the upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Rocket Lab USA Incorporated stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of June, we expect Rocket Lab USA to open lower by 9.5 cents and start trading at $33.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.